Hello, and welcome to Bioscience, a scientific show about scientific stuff. And I'm your host, Noah Demario. And today we're doing a show about water, life or death. Now, you see, everywhere across the country, runners seem to be having this issue. They're dying. And today, that's what the story is about.
So, we heard that there were a bunch of deaths at the marathon that you were running.
Yeah, it was pretty tragic.
Was it really? Do you have any idea how the deaths occurred?
Well, they were chugging as much water as they could, like at every checkpoint. Like, we were totally out of water at like the 5th checkpoint.
That is insane. I wonder how that could have caused someone's death.
Well, you see, boys and girls, drinking water isn't only good for you, it's also bad for you. Because of a little thing we like to call osmosis. It's what keeps your blood nice and liquidy and not dry and solid. It keeps you nice and happy and fluidy. And now, let's find out why osmosis can be bad for you. Rolling.
Rolling?
Rolling.
Okay, so we are here with Dr. Doctor. Say hello to the nice people of America.
Hello to the nice people of America.
Now, we heard that there were people who died after running marathons all over the United States.
Graph. Yes, we've noticed that there's, a lot of people here running these races at various temperatures.
At various temperatures?
Various temperatures.
Do the temperatures have anything to do with the people's deaths?
Well, I have a handy dandy graph for that. As you've noticed, the places that tend to have higher temperatures tend to also have higher deaths. Don't need that anymore.
Well, that is crazy. Now, this.
Yes, homeostasis.
Yeah, that?
Yeah.
What's that?
Well, that's the cell's ability to maintain equilibrium, equality
Quality?
between the solute levels inside and outside the cell.
Wow.
That's the name of
That's
stuff.
crazy. So, we also heard from people at the marathon, right?
Marathon.
That at the marathon, there's more than one.
With a Z at the end.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Yeah. We were talking people, right? And they were saying that most of the runners were drinking, like the runners that died, they were drinking a lot of water.
Yes, we've noticed. Yeah, more charts. Yeah, we've noticed the runners. We got four of them, 4 randomly selected victims. I mean, volunteers. Yeah, we tracked their water levels. At the beginning, middle, and end, and oh dear God. Anyways, yes, so we've tracked them through the bases. And as you can see, the water levels go above higher average, which is about something or other. Science.
Science is happening. So, yeah, so there was too much water in there.
Yeah, which also resulted in their sodium levels.
Is that this?
Yes, that's exactly what this is. Hypotonic. Yes.
Hypotonic.
That made these cells in a hypotonic solution. Sodium's going down.
Sodium.
Yes.
So,
Goes down.
water, the water was moving into the cells.
Yes.
Right? Yes.
And the cells expanded.
How did this happen?
Oh, if you drink too much water, osmosis.
Osmosis? What's osmosis, sir? What's osmosis?
That's water's ability to go down, to fuse.
Oh, man.
A coma is when the brain cells swell and get too big. They go into a
That
coma.
is insane. Wow.
If there's
In
too
the
much water, they
membrane?
pop, and people die.
People die.
People die.
That's not fun.
Would you say it's insane in the membrane?
It's insane in the membrane. Is that a reference to something? 'Cause I don't get
Yes.
it. Okay.
Yeah.
The sodium leaves the body through sweating.
Yes,
Of
Thank you.
course.
obviously.
I know so much now.
Because it
Thanks
doesn't.
to you, Mr. Doctor. Now,
And handsome cameraman.
and our handsome cameraman with the glasses, that guy over there. kind of ion is it?
An ironic one.
An electrolyte.
Yeah, them two.
It's an electrolyte. That's what kind of ion it is.
Them two.
What's an ion channel?
I
Do you
don't
know what an ion channel
You got
is?
the paper right there. That has all the answers. Seems like you gave all the answers instead
Well,
of
it
the paper, not me.
says define ion channels.
Well, shouldn't you know? You're the one with the paper.
I don't know. You're the doctor.
There it is.
Well, you see, ion channels and osmosis are both types of passive transport, which means energy to do the thing. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see?
Yes.
I pay attention sometimes. What's a concentration gradient? Wait, hold on. Oh. That's why passive transport occurs, obviously. Concentration gradient.
More on one side than there is on the other. It goes.
That's how it works?
Yes.
Oh.
With sound effects.
With science! That's the noise it makes every
Yes,
time?
every time.
It just goes whoom.
Yep.
Too small so we can't hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Can cats hear it?
No, but dogs can.
Right. Oh, it actually says that right there. Look at that. Alright, cool. So
Yeah.
dogs can hear that. That's great. Awesome. Science. So, the general movement of, like passive transport, ion channels, and osmosis, whatever. All that fun stuff. That is trying to reach equilibrium.
Yes.
Yes?
Equality.
Equality.
Half on one side, half on the other.
That is crazy.
Well,
So-
equal parts, but.
So then,
Numbers. Sodium.
what's that word? That's a big word too.
Hypotremia.
Hypotremia. What's a hypotremia? Future runners in these future marathons that are going to happen, because we know they're not going to stop. They're going to continue killing innocent souls unless we do this. What are we going to do? What is the solution to this problem?
Well, you're going to inform America and let them know that, drinking a lot of water is bad.
What about Gatorade?
Oh, yeah, we instead
Lots of
giving water, we
electrolytes.
give Gatorade, because Gatorade has electrolytes.
Like Bondo.
The thirst mutilator.
Of course.
It's got what plants crave. Thank you for any of those who understand the reference.
Today's episode is funded by Gatorade
Brando, the thirst mutilator.
and Brondo.
It got
Well, anyway, thank you, sir, for letting us interview you about this science. We had a wonderful time. Did you have a wonderful time talking about science?
Science.
Science rules! Well, that's our show. Now back to Noah with the rest of the news or whatever he's doing. I don't even know. Okay, let's go. Yeah!
Coffee? So I want a chai mocha latte.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
Go. Interns. Anyway, we're back to what is science, and today we learned a couple things. We learned what hypotonic means. We learned what homeostasis means. Homeostasis is your body's way of regulating itself in its nice little bubble of safety, making sure you don't die. Yes, bubble of safety. Everyone remember that. We also learned what equilibrium meant, because, equilibrium. Kind of self-explanatory. Seriously, why didn't people know this stuff? Anyway, so we found out why the runners have died. We found out that they should be drinking Gatorade instead of water, so that way they don't die more. And that's about it. Fire science!
It's like 40 to...
Yeah.
42
40 to something else, milliliters in
to
there.
50... 40 to 50. 40,
The whole idea of me
40.
calling with
I don't know
Still
how
don't know
to
his
I
name.
don't think- I don't-
So,
I'm a certifiable doctor.
sorry, you want to write? Come on, let's go.
Certifiable doctor.
Certifiable doctor. So really, you don't know anything.
Hashtag Fight Club.
Shut up. I know everything.
Hashtag how do irons work? Ripping.
And yeah, it's fun to stay. Oh, I see it.
I was spelling out Gatorade.
Oh yeah, that works too.
We can do science.
Science all the time. We can do science. With my money and your mind. I don't know the rest.
Rolling.
Yeah, so are you like free sometime? Like, you know, like, sister? We're rolling? Oh, so there's been some deaths at several marathons. Runners have been dying. It's crazy, you know?
The runner appears to be here.
And here's one of the runners now.
I can't run. Hi, Allie.
And we'll be back with further news. For now, enjoy this picture of a puppy.